Section 6, right to appoint.
Section 5 can be read down.
My lord, to that extent, my lords can hold that in exceptional cases and when a situation this sort arises, and peace हो my lord.
Right of appeal पे substantive right नहीं है जो statute.
Ladyship, look, we are faced with a situation here, and let me just be very candid now. We have had recording, we have had car case, and we have God knows what not. And all of that has happened under 184(3). With great respect. With great respect. Steel mill is a classic example. Steel mill was in profits at the time when all of that happened, as far as my information goes. It had 12 billion worth of raw material lying there. And now we are faced with an asset which is constantly bleeding us.
Those were full court. Those were full court judgments.
My lord, may not be.
यही तो मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ ना.
Not be. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इसको reconcile किया जा सकता है.
साहब यही तो point है कि एक तरफ आप कह रहे हैं हम right of appeal दे रहे हैं to address precisely these kind of things. दूसरी तरफ कह रहे हैं कि चलो full court बन जाए तो बन जाए.
Full court बन जाए मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि there might be issues in time.
आप kindly जरा थोड़ी सी.
नहीं there might be issues in time.
Applications of your submission तो kindly.
उसको ये इस तरह से आपको कहता हूँ कि
Attorney General साहब, we are all grown ups, right?
Attorney General साहब,
can I just the problem arose. I think thousands of articles have been written, lawyers have spoken about it. We keep talking about the two chariots, but let's place some emphasis on the lawyers also say there has been allegations, and I can deny it, but it doesn't. Public opinion thinks that 184(3) has been misused, jurisdiction has been exceeded. Okay? So what you are saying is, first of all, we did not create the mess. You created the mess. We are trying to solve your mess. What did we do? 3-member bench judgment, 184(3), final judgment. Nothing can be done. Now we about full courts only. What about the 3-member bench judgment? It was a 3-member bench judgment which did Rekodik. It was not a full court or even a large bench. A 3-member bench is the normal, smallest bench in the Supreme Court. So what could you do? Nothing. Now you come in advisory jurisdiction. We have to kind of find ways and means because it's the interest of the country at stake. I would rather surrender my high status and at the feet of the taxpayer public of Pakistan, rather than give them a whopping liability of $6.5 billion because the independence of the judiciary. They'll say, what are you talking about? Independence of judiciary? Independence of Pakistan will disappear if you labor this much of debt on Pakistan, $6.5 billion. It's not easy. We don't understand the repercussion of things. Fine. I'm not saying that judges who decided that they did what they thought, time, how they were assisted, according to their conscience, correctly in their minds. Yes, but we make mistakes. Suppose I was a member of this bench. I would love this thing if it came to my mind, repercussions. Okay, now there's a right of appeal. I can undo. Review jurisdiction, you know what the review jurisdiction is. Take the case of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto.
Yes.
Supreme Court split. Review, unanimous. Because the scope of review is very different creature. It is error floating on the record, so they didn't even go there. That could not be rectified through review. You had to create 184(3). If आपको simple बोलना चाहिए, अगर आप अपने इतने ज़्यादा काम ना करें, थोड़े हदूद में रहें, शायद हमें इस legislation की भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. हमने भी तो थोड़ी गलतियां कर ली. हमें देखिए हमारा problem ये हो गया ना, बड़ी बन गई है और तकब्बुर. हमसे गलतियां हुई हैं, मुझसे गलतियां हुई हैं. मान लें गलतियां हुई हैं, ठीक है, हमने ऐसी चीजें की हैं, हमने जस्टिफाई किए मिलिट्री टेक ओवर्स को, मान ले गलती की है, ठीक है. अदरवाइज आइन की कोई हैसियत नहीं है. अगर जज मेड लॉ हम उसको रख लेंगे अपने ऊपर, तो वो तो फिर आइन तो गया, फिर वो तो सारे जजेस थे, उन्होंने सबने एंडोर्स कर दिया. मैं नहीं मानूंगा इसको क्योंकि मैंने हल्फ नहीं उठाया है. The minute I say that, please file a against me that I'm violating my oath of office if I say even this, कि I will endorse these subsequent acts. तो हमें मुल्क का भी तो सोचना चाहिए. हमें अपनी सिर्फ अपनी अना और आपको अना और इन ख्वाजा साहब मुझे नहीं बताया उनको क्या मसला हो रहा है, उनको हमारा फिगर पढ़िए. हम स्यूमोटो हर जगह करते हैं, हमने यहाँ क्यों नहीं स्यूमोटो किया? Why are we waiting for him to bring an act? 10 petitions आ गई, पब्लिक में से तो कोई नहीं आ रहा है. पता क्या मसला है लोगों का? उनके तो कोई मसले नहीं हो, कहते हैं हमारा केस चला के Sorry, I'm diverging, but we have to see the larger picture also. We have to see work within the Constitution where every citizen gets his due. But what are we doing? What are we taking away from him? Focus on that.
Nothing, my lord.
And
Section 6, my lord.